Hey guys, it's Jeff Hawes and I'm the Dean of Student Services here at Northeast Alabama Community College, and I wanted to share a brief tutorial video with you about how to claim your new email account. So you probably received an email from us telling you that the Alabama Community College system is now merging all of our email addresses into one email account, and it's going to be your A number at alabama.edu. And so it's really important that you claim that account, and you'll do so by going to your personal email account. This could be your Gmail account or a Yahoo account, and this is where this email from Rapid Identity is going to be sent. So open up your personal email and in the search box type rapididentity.com, and you'll see the message that was sent to you, and it tells you and gives you instructions on how to claim your new alabama.edu account. So when you open up the email, you're going to see something very important here that says account claim code. You want to highlight that code and you want to copy that code. You're going to need it here in just a minute. You're also going to need your A number. So if you don't remember your A number, you can go into Banner, Self-Service Banner, under the Student tab and find your A number there as well. So you're going to highlight your claim code, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to click on this address, password.alabama.edu, and then this is what you're going to see next. It's going to give you the opportunity to claim your account. Here you're going to enter your A number at alabama.edu. So you're going to type it just like that, your A number at alabama.edu. And then you're going to click on Claim My Account. When you click on Claim My Account, you're going to see this message next. It's going to ask you for your student ID. Make sure that you type in a capital A at the beginning, and then you're going to enter that claim code, which is what you had in the email instructions. So you'll paste that claim code there. Then you're also going to click that you agree to the terms of service and click Next. The next screen that you're going to see is it's going to ask you for a password for your alabama.edu account. You're going to make sure you type your password here, verify your password, and then click Next. And then the final message that you're going to see when it has been successful is you're going to see that the account has been claimed, and it's very important that you remember that your Alabama email address, again, is your A number at alabama.edu. And we'll be sending you more information a little later about the next steps with what we're going to do. But now you need to claim your account if you haven't done so yet. Also, if you run into trouble, you can email etshelp@nacc.edu. Again, that's etshelp@nacc.edu, or you can call our admissions office. That's 256-228-6001, extension 2224.